Hello guys, in this video we'll be completing the hands-on challenge from the unit create record types on the position object. So let's quickly jump into our hands-on challenge to our Trailhead playground. So first thing is we'll be creating two profiles. We'll be cloning the standard user profile. So to do that, let's go to our setup window. And once we are in our setup, let's go for profiles. So here in the profiles, we'll be cloning our standard user profile with recruiter as one for technical and the other for non-technical. Okay, this should have loaded by now. Okay, so let's jump into the letter S, and this is our standard user. And let's go for clone. Let's copy our profile name, the first one, recruiter technical, and paste it, save. So now we have created our profile recruiter technical. So now we can clone this profile to create another profile for non-technical. So let's copy and paste our new profile name and save. So now we have created our two profiles. So the next thing is to create record types. So we'll be creating the record types in the object position. To do that, let's find our object from Object Manager. Let's search for position. Once we are here, let's go to record types and click on new. So the existing record type is master. Let's copy our record type label. Name should be populated automatically, and let's copy our description as well, and let's make the record type active. So it says deselect the checkbox next to make available and select these profiles. So it's automatically disabled. So what we can do is select recruiter technical, and the other one is system administrator. So once we've done that, let's go ahead to the next step. And save it. So now let's edit the pick list for the department. Let's go to edit department, and under pick list for editing. So let's remove all IT and engineering from the selected values. So as this is for the IT and engineering. So sorry, we've made only IT and engineering available for the technical position. So let's go ahead and save it. Now let's do the same for the non-technical position as well. Let's go back to record types and let's create a new record type. Let's copy our record type label. Let's make this one active as well. So for this, the profile would be recruiter non-technical and our system administrator. Once we've done that, let's go to next and save it. Again, once we've saved it, let's go to edit department in the pick list and let's select our non-technical values, which would be finance, support and sales. And let's go ahead and save it. So now let's add the record types which we have created to the position page layout. So while we are still viewing the position page in the Object Manager, let's choose page layouts. So that would be the third option. Now let's go to the edit button, into the information section and drop it below department field. So the information section is over here. So this is the department. So let's drag and drop our record type below our department. Once we've done that, let's go ahead and save it. So we've done everything in the challenge. Let's see if we have done everything right. That's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye bye.